Hello Shining Stars, welcome back to my channel Seraphic Star Life, and this is the birthday special series video for people who have their birthdays today on 9th of August. And the lovely Shining Stars who have just stumbled upon my channel, page or group, a warm welcome to you on this flourishing, thriving and abundant channel energy. I am Dimple Sharma, the Seraphic Star, a tarot card reader, numerologist and a spiritual healer. I love creating tarot guidance, spiritual practices and manifestation videos for you all. Now, wishing a very happy birthday to all the shining stars who have their birthdays today on 9th of August. Please do share this video with your friends, family and loved ones and make their day little special with the guidance for their upcoming year. Before we dive into the card energies, let's quickly talk about your personality number and the lucky crystals. So, based on your personality number, your number is 9. Number 9 is ruled by Mars. So like each number has its own energy and element, the number 9 energy is the fire energy. This makes number 9 people as the born leaders, confident, outgoing and very passionate. Number 9 people are also very charismatic and they should make sure to what they are giving energy to, because they have very good manifestation power as well. Lucky crystals for number 9 people are rose quartz, garnet, green or pink tourmaline. I have listed a website in the description box below. You can check out the website and buy a lucky crystal for yourself. Remember, this is a general guidance video. If you would like to know more about yourself in detail, about your destiny number, your friendly numbers, the missing numbers, then you can connect and take a personal numerology session. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. Now let's see what energy and guidance the fairies have for your upcoming year. So this is the birthday spread in front of you, and the first card here is representing the upcoming 6 months energy. The second card is representing the strengths and the lessons that you need to learn in order to evolve in the upcoming year. The third card is representing your ultimate potential. Okay, so now if we look at the first card here, the first card is the High Priestess, the angel of power. The energy of this card would be slow initially to reflect in your life, but I feel a lot of you would be having a phase of self-reflection. You may be having questions in mind like, what is it that you truly want in life? Or are you really following your life path or just trying to make others happy? You might be, confused with these questions, or you may have this phase wherein you will be asking questions to yourself, and if it's not you, it's your inner guidance that is asking you to focus on these questions. A lot of you would have really good intuition for the next 6 months. It could be in any form, like it could come as dreams. There could be some meaningful dreams you may have in the upcoming 6 months. So the foremost advice for you all is to trust your intuition. Listen to your own guidance. Remember, the most revelations come from within. To enhance your intuitive side, meditate or go on reflective long walks in the nature. Make sure you carefully think before you take any action or decision. Listen to your inner self. That is what the fairies really want you to do right now. That is the guidance from the fairies. So do you know that our body is a powerful intuitive tool that can lead us in the right direction. So pay attention to your emotional responses to various options that are available to you, and take those emotional responses as a guidance for yourself, for the situations around you and the people around you. Also, another advice is to keep your plans to yourself unless you have put them into the execution phase. So make sure that you stay grounded at this point of time. Listen to your intuition, meditate. In order to enhance your intuitive skills, it's very important that you meditate, because it's the silence where we receive the answers for all of our questions. The second card is the lesson and the strength, which is the Queen of Pentacles. I do see a lot of feminine energy here. So I also have this feeling that somewhere you may have a lot of a female intuitive energy. So that is why, you know, the card, the High Priestess, is also asking you to pay attention to your intuition. Listen to what your intuition is saying you, is guiding you about that situation. So the first thing here that I am feeling is that maybe you're thinking everything is stagnant right now, but in reality the magic is working around you. The universe is working for you. The situation may be moving around slowly, but the guidance for you is to be patient, to stay grounded, to stay connected with the nature. Like here also, the fairies are advising you to spend time in nature, and this card is also telling the same, and I can see the same in this third card also. So it's very important that you stay connected with the things that are natural. So it could be, you know, you spend some time out in the nature, go out for good long walks, and spend time in gardening, spend time with pets or the animals around you, nurture them. The more you nurture the nature, the more abundance the nature will give you back in life. For a lot of you, I feel during this phase around March 2021, you are going to have a lot of abundance or good financial stability, or enjoying the luxuries or material comfort in life. Also make sure that you spend good quality time with your family, because the Queen of Autumn is like a fairy godmother and her family means everything to her. And I'm also feeling someone is going to enter in your life during this time who is going to help you move towards your life goals. So these are basically the code cards, and they are like the messengers. So make sure that you pay attention to what the signs the universe is giving you. It could be in any form. It could be, as you know, as real as a human coming into your life, could be a male or female. But just stay grounded and take practical approaches towards your work. Now the third card is the Four of Spring, another family card. So you know, stars, that spring is the season when the creation begins, the exciting things start to happen, flowers bloom and filling the people's heart with hope. So this is a beautiful card, and being your ultimate potential, the learning here for you is to be grateful for whatever you have, because I do see a lot of abundance in your life. So whatever is there, no matter how little or small those things are right now, just be grateful, because the more grateful you are today for the things that you have, the more reasons you will get to be grateful for tomorrow. Remember, to change your life fast, you need to be grateful, and the gratitude shifts your energy and you start focusing only onto the good things. And when you put all of your energy into gratitude, you will see miracles taking place in your life. So many good things happening for some of you. I also feel that a lot of you are going to get married, or I do see a childbirth on the card, or moving to a new home, a time full of celebrations. Could be attending the wedding ceremonies, baby shower, or some other social gatherings or parties. I strongly have this message that this is going to bring you a lot of happiness, peace and content in life. And if at all you think that things are not going the way these cards are showing you, so just trust the universe, just trust the timing, and most importantly, trust yourself, trust your intuition, what your intuition is telling you about this particular situation in the coming 1 year. So shining stars, that's all I have for now. I want you to just focus on your intuition, meditate, and before taking any action or decision, gather all the facts. Be receptive for the help from someone in near future. Practice gratitude, celebrate the little things in life, trust your dreams, and create a life full of joy, happiness, blessings and love. Have a wonderful birthday, sending you all the divine love, light and peace blessings. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do not forget to share it with your friends and family. If you would like to take a personal tarot reading session, then you can connect to me through my Instagram handle mentioned in the description box below. Thank you and namaste.